How to crop video. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Right-click on your sequence in Project panel and select Sequence Settings. Change the frame size to values you want. I just use 1080 by 1080 and click OK. Now to make the subject appear in frame, go to Effects panel and search for Auto Reframe. Drag and drop Auto Reframe effect into your video. This is okay now, but let's use another way. First, undo changes to remove this effect. Then with your video selected, go to Effect Controls panel and change position values so your subject is visible in the frame. Now let's say you have some more videos in your timeline, and you want to reposition the subject for all these videos. To do that, right-click on your sequence in timeline and click on Auto Reframe Sequence. In the pop-up window, make sure Target Aspect Ratio is properly set and click Create. Now Premiere created this new sequence for us in which all the subjects are properly in the frame. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.